Good morning guys, welcome to our channel Automation Academy. Our topic for today, National Electrical Code, Chapter 2, Part 2, Electrical Calculations. Question number 3. An incandescent lamp has a resistance of 104 ohms when 2 amperes of current flow. What is the voltage? Please see the reference. Question number 4. An ohmmeter shows the resistance of a 240 volt electric heater to be 19.5 ohms. What current flows through this heater? Please see the reference. Question number 5. What current is drawn by a 277 volt fluorescent lamp with 8 ohms reactance? Please see the reference. Question number 6. What is the minimum general lighting load permitted by the NEC in a 4,500 square foot warehouse? Please see the reference. Question number 7. What is the minimum general lighting load permitted in a 1,500 square foot single family dwelling as specified in Table 220.12 of the NEC? See the reference. Question number 8. The voltage per turn for a transformer is 1.25 volts. What is the voltage of the transformer if it has 192 turns? Please see the reference. Question number 9. A 480/277 volt Y-dust connected transformer is used to supply a balanced 277 volt single phase lighting load of 40,000 watts. What size transformer kVA should be used? Please see the reference. Question number 10. What is the maximum allowable wattage that can be connected to a 240 volt 20 ampere single phase circuit feeding residential electric heaters? Please see the reference. Question number 11. The minimum allowable number of 120 volt 15 ampere 2-wire lighting branch circuits required for a residence 70 feet by 30 feet are? Please see the reference. Question number 12. A voltage drop of 3 volt has been determined on a 120 volt circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? Please see the reference. Question number 13. A voltage drop of 8.31 volt has been determined on a 277 volt lighting circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? Please see the reference. Question number 14. A voltage drop of 7.2 volt is found on a 240 volt circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? Please see the reference. Question number 15. A voltage drop of 19.2 volt has been determined on a 480 volt circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? Please see the reference. Question number 16. If a 120 volt circuit feeds 6 80-watt fluorescent lamps, what current is drawn if the power factor is 0.91? Please see the reference. Question number 17. Calculate the minimum volt-ampere capacity of a 155,000 square foot school. Please see the reference. Question number 18. A store building 50 feet times 60 feet uses fluorescent lighting fixtures to illuminate the interior. If its fixtures is to illuminate 60 square feet. How many light fixtures will have to be installed? Please see the reference. Question number 20. An electric heating element has an energized resistance of 30 ohms and is connected to a 120 volt circuit. How much current will flow in the circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 21. How many watts of heat are being produced by the heating element in question 2-27? Please see the reference. Question number 22. A 240 volt circuit has a current flow of 20 amperes. How much resistance ohms is connected to the circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 23. An electric motor has an apparent resistance of 17 ohms. If a current of 7 ampere is flowing through the motor, what is the connected voltage? Please see the reference. Question number 24. We have an expert written solution to this problem. A 240 volt air conditioning compressor has an apparent resistance of 8 ohms. How much current will flow in the circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 25. How many watts of power are being used by the compressor in question 2-31? Please see the reference. Question number 26. A 3600 watt motor is connected to a 240 volt single phase 2-wire circuit. What is the current flow in the circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 27. A 3600 watt motor is connected to a 240 volt single phase 2-wire circuit. What is the minimum size THW conductor allowed to carry the load? Please see the reference. Question number 28. A clamp-on ammeter has 3 thorns of wire wrapped around the movable jaw. If the meter is indicating a current of 15 amperes, how much current is actually flowing in the circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 29. A dual voltage 3-phase motor draws a current of 45 amperes when connected to a 240 volt 3-phase circuit. How much current will the same motor draw if connected to a 480 volt 3-phase circuit? Please see the reference. Question number 30. A synchronous motor has an excitation voltage of 125 volts with a maximum rotor current of 10 amperes. What is the resistance of the motor? Please see the reference. Question number 31. If the circuit in question 2-40 is connected to a 240 volt source and feeds a load drawing 24 amperes, what is the amount of voltage drop? Please see the reference. Question number 32. Referring to question 2-41 above, how many volts in the circuit actually reach the load? Please see the reference. Question number 33. What is the voltage drop in the circuit in question 2-43 if the current is 24 amperes at 240 volts? Please see the reference. Question number 34. How much voltage actually reaches the load in the circuit? And question 2-44. Please see the reference. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Automation Academy, and comment down below, and don't forget to share the love. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.